Let's go, Sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
And my name is Zuko Ndima.
And yes, we are siblings.
You've got it right.
You've got it right. Yeah, this is episode 72.
Yeah, episode 72. You know what it is.
Yeah.
We're going, we're flowing. So what?
So are we gonna have this podcast for the rest of our lives?
Basically.
What?
Imagine how great that would be when you see episode 71. Sibe Sina 71. Dog. It's going to be epic, bro. Imagine watching people like physically grow and change. I tell you, there's been nothing like it, by the way, just so you know. So we'd be the first.
I mean, Oprah was on air for a while.
Yeah, but I mean...
we saw her literally grow up.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not happening in South Africa. Ubu Nolin. Ubu Felicia.
Felicia America.
Oh, it's America. Oh, okay.
She always had an American husband that she always used to tell us about during her show. So when she retired, she was like, peace, I'm going to go home, my American daddy.
Oh, shout out. Hey, shune lipstick emazinyweni get show man. Colors and itete. Because yeah, there we go. That's perfect. That's a skill that I've come to like get so much better at.
What, telling people that there's something wrong?
Your flies open, spinach in your teeth, something like I've become so good at it and I've become so comfortable. Like, and it's so like, yo, Ian Kulula, brah.
I think it's a delivery thing also.
Ne?
Yeah, because the way you said it, I wasn't embarrassed. I was like, oh, okay, cool.
Like, what else would that look like? Wah, brah. Kesa makondo nesweni. That's crazy.
I don't know.
Kesa inone kubega yabo kubuso bako.
I chew my lipstick.
Yeah.
But now you made it like it's part of your conversation.
So ngene ubali izinyo lakho. Okay, so definitely a delivery thing, guys. But I'll do it like in a natural conversation. Just
so what
like
was happening before? You were feeling uncomfortable just to let someone know.
Clean. Yeah, like literally, or like I'll just stop talking to you, or like something. I'm just like, yeah. So yeah.
What was that?
There's something moving behind the curtain, but let's hope it's nothing.
Yeah.
So I literally used to like just avoid it. Then end the conversation, and then I'm just like, and then
don't you feel bad that you didn't let the person know?
Yeah, absolutely. I feel bad. You feel bad, la way. But then what ended up happening is that then I think it happened one day that someone was talking to me, and then after that, like they either looked at a mirror or they spoke to someone else, and that person was just like, "Hey, check, I'm chatting."
Wow.
Or they looked at a mirror, and they were like,
"Why didn't you tell me?"
"Hayi bo bro, utule all along." Mna ndibhizi hi umlungu. Yeah, understand. So I was just like, man, also, man, I would like for someone to
tell
do that,
you,
to tell
so
me.
do to others.
Yeah, so do to others as you'd have them do unto you.
Lovely. How's your week been?
Week's been crazy. Week's been busy. Just like work's been like working.
Really?
Yeah, work's been working. Which is good because I decided to work along with it. And now we're getting along like mates.
What do you mean? You're going to say I don't think.
Yeah, man, deny attitude danyana sometimes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then I've got that bad attitude, and then just things start happening, and then like my world is falling apart. And I've never really realized, but Nangam, your attitude determines your altitude. Uyayiva. So I've really been getting stuck in for the past 6 years.
My employer is on the line. My employer is a bling.
You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, that's crazy. I mean, I'm also just up for my 6 years where I'm working right now, and I'm just like,
that's a lot.
That is a lot of years. I was spending 6 years now.
Anyway. Now transport is
No, that wasn't 6 years. That was like a year or two. No, couldn't interview man. The past year, I'm jobs. I'm like, I feel like in the jobs. I feel like I've had a job. I feel like I've had a very interesting career journey.
Why don't you just make your own podcast?
Yeah, but then you need someone who's going to be asking the questions. Hi, Bonyan. Someone who's going to ask the questions, because you know when you're telling your own story,
there's things that you won't say.
Correct, because in your head,
you know like, those things.
Yes, correct. Yeah. It's like it's like us when we're having a conversation in front of Umdonga Sazi, whereby we'll talk and then we miss out on a couple of details. So yeah, I think definitely make some time for me when you've got a chance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I know exactly how it's going to happen. Okay. Lovely.
Got it.
So Spani.
Yeah.
So Dad called me yesterday and he was talking about the Standing on Business episode that just came and how he liked it so much.
Okay. This is the one for Plainview College.
Plainview College, yes. With Slindile Ngala. He really liked that episode. He enjoyed it a lot. And he was just like, oh, congratulations. What a great thing. Wow. Cool. And then he was like, you guys don't remember I remember you guys were saying episodes ago that you guys don't remember your childhoods. And I was like, don't say it like that. I mean,
yeah.
And he's like, you know how many of those memories I have in my head? I'm like, yes, you were an adult. I hope you've got memories of ours. And he's like, awuzikhumbuli wena ustart imoto yahamba imoto ungakwazi nokuqhuba umncane.
Now we started ichume.
Excuse me. And I was like, why would I remember that? Like, why?
Because maybe you got scared and then it was something that was etched in your memory.
Oh, please, have you met me, bruh? So
have you met us, bro?
What do you mean?
Nah, bruh. Memory am 0.
So then he started, then he was telling me about something else. Then I was like, you know what? You have to come onto the show, bro.
Tangam. And the answer is you come 2 weeks ago. I was like, hey, I'm fit to finish 7 or something. Be in the pago 10 episodes.
So he's gonna come here after the comrades.
Okay.
Because he's gonna come to the comrades.
Soon. Okay.
I mean, he's not going to come here before then.
Yeah.
So he's going to come here for a few days after the comrades.
Yeah.
So I'm like, that's the perfect opportunity.
Yeah.
But he's acting all shy and stuff. That's all.
What a legend.
He's like, oh, I need food under here. It's like, dog, you just have to sit in a chair and talk. And he's like, no. But I think we can convince him.
Yeah, I think we can. We can definitely convince him because...
pressure, man.
Because he reads the comments, I'm sure.
Exactly.
So, yeah, definitely something that we can definitely work on. I think that would be like super amazing, bro.
No,
but
I think
like
so
also
too.
like 5 episodes, hey.
I mean, that's
there's so much to talk about.
I know.
Because now Ben Booz all sent me a text as well. Do you remember the first time you were learning how to drive?
No.
Like, no, but as far as I'm concerned,
it's already
good. You understand? So
he obviously told you.
I don't know.
What do you mean?
Andy, I do not remember, Sisi.
So and he's got all these memories stored up. Every time I see him, he's got these new ones. Yes. And I'm just like, bro, we need you just to like cover the things that we have forgotten.
No, absolutely. I think that would be amazing. How are you?
I'm okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 1 week into being 40-something. And that's going. I see a fresh hairstyle.
I had
like,
to. I look like a hobo.
Oh, really?
This morning, but
no.
I was like, don't look like your problems, please.
Okay.
So, I'm trying to style, yabo.
Yes.
Yeah, because I think it's unnecessary. Yeah. It's like, it's just not good for your hair or whatever. But then ikhawuleza iguge
Istyle.
i-neatness.
Oh, yes.
Xa ungastylanga.
True. Nam njengomuntu ohleli so like ndicheba ikhadi so like ndiyakhawule nam ndiyayazi loo nto leyo. Khawutsho.
Sani ikhadi umntu acheba ikhadi eyi-one. Okay. So then today I was just like, hey man, try me out. But do something simple. Ungenzi into namagochi. So I'm not mad.
Oh, okay, cool. How long is that going to last?
Knowing me, probably 5 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then it's like you and then you cut. But that's easy. You can do that at home.
100%.
Okay. Thanks. All right. No. Excellento. Yeah. So let's get into the business end of things. Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. I found a whole new page.
Oh, yeah. That's
Amaqalo. Amarai.
Amarai.
Oqash.
Yes, correct.
The causeness of it all.
Dog.
All right, this one, the title of it. So you know the titles are like things of nature or whatever. This title is it Ganeko zasekuhlaleni?
Yeah. Things that happen in your locality.
In the community.
Yes, correct.
Okay, cool. Let's go. Let's get into it. I feel like these ones are pretty easy and you're good at it. So I think this is going to go.
Thanks. No pressure at all.
No, but you are. Is that not a compliment?
It
pressure. You've chosen to make it pressure instead of a compliment.
Say I'm good at it after I answer, not before. Because now I'm going to go, who wants to be a millionaire? Now I'm just like, oh, it's easy. Zuko's definitely going to know.
And you're like, how do you spell dog? All right, cool. First one. Dinando yam ingasoze ibe manzi nokuba sendintywilile emanzini.
Sisibindi.
I
know! It's not a body part. Oh no, it's a thing in your community. What? You see? I hope you're happy. I'm properly set up now.
Just think again. Dinando yam ingasoze ibe manzi nokuba sendintywilile emanzini.
Idada. Apho nizikhule sinamakhaniso, what do you mean?
Sisithunzi.
Oh no! Uyakwazi usintyilisela isithunzi? No way. There was no way I was going to guess that. Isithunzi yakwazi usintyilisela emanzini?
Khange kutshiwe ba sintywilile naso isithunzi.
Kuthiwani?
Dinando yam ingasoze ibe manzi nokuba sendintywilile emanzini.
Inswamp. High level.
Ndinamfazi wam uthi xa esiya emlanjeni enze isijwili kodwa ngokubuya uthi cwaka. Yeah, maybe I was wrong about Tempikisi.
Liphara.
Liphara? Njani?
Noma yinpoza yami ngaphandle kwensipho namanzi.
I'm so confused.
Kaloku khobana bathanda uvasa. So ngokuba kube xa uyovaswa ke ngoku but then xa usuka uvasa upholile.
Wow. Do you think amaphara bekhona wena?
Fundini, come
This
on.
book was being written. Emere.
Xa siya emanzini kwenza kanto?
Iyangcola then xa ibuya ithi cwaka.
Oh, so ngukele ke ngqing. Oh. Uphana laxesha kukhiwa amanzi ke-ml.
Kona khandi mncinci.
Oh, so uyakhapha wena singing along Gaya Malitye.
Gaya Malitye. People in the comments, oh my gosh. Yes, we're from PE. So Gaya Malitye. Oh my gosh. Oh, people have such calucalulo. As people have calucalulo with each other.
Yes, correct.
Which is such a weird thing. It's like, yes, we're from different regions, so we will be different.
That's such an interesting thing. I wonder if other cultures have that. Do you guys from other cultures have that where there is isiZulu sasendaweni ethile nesiZulu senye indawo?
I'm sure.
And like words and things that
Like
you
it's
guys
Zulu
will use.
Gauteng or Wema.
We understand. So that would be very
But then
interesting.
your class do you know what I mean? Are you like, oh, these Zulus from Joburg? Yeah, I've heard that many
Is it?
times. Yeah,
Yeah, but Joburg Zulu and like Zulu from KwaZulu Natal, those
it's
they
two
should be
different
different.
languages.
Yeah,
100%. But ke mhlambi nizothi oh isiZulu sase Hlabuyalingana nesiZulu sase Port Shepstone, you know.
correct.
totally
That's what I'd
different.
be interested to know.
Yeah.
Nesifenda sakuphi nesifenda sasendaweni ethile.
Then it's
That would
pretty
be-
small though. This is another thing.
Okay.
So I don't know if that would be a thing.
Isilimbombo. Xhosa people worldwide, Limpopo. There is only one M.
Oh my gosh. We're so embarrassing.
So,
Ooh.
um,
Whenever one of us has a notebook, it's about to get lit.
so on the past couple of episodes, I think, and Siasa commented and even commented on that. Sana, deep indo. We need to go back and look at them, etc., etc., etc. So, what I was thinking is that let's do some more deep reflection. I'm joking. What I was thinking is that we haven't had like a fun episode in a while.
But okay. When we were playing with those cards, we had a fun episode.
When was that? That was like easily 5 to 10 episodes ago. So that's what I'm saying. Nguti, in the past, like 5 episodes, 6 episodes, 7 episodes, we haven't had one of those just like really lighthearted, like spoilile kind of episodes. And that's what I wanted to do, right?
Okay. So what are we doing?
So what we're doing is we are trying to find out certain things. You'll see as we go ahead, right? We'll have the conversation when I'm going to pose the question and then you'll answer. And then if I feel like I really, really want to, so, or we can debate. We can have a debate.
Okay.
Let's call it that, right? Is that fair? Okay, 100%. I'm going to kick off.
Kick it off.
You know, as usual, we're going to kick off with something nice and light. Does pineapple belong on pizza?
No.
What?
Where did you get that from?
What do you mean?
I literally have that in my like notebooks. Okay.
Oh, I thought you were shocked at pineapple on pizza.
No.
But okay.
So I was doing while I was doing my hair, I was just like going through like, what can we talk about?
Yeah.
And one of the topics was, what's a hill you're willing to die on?
Okay.
And then it had like a couple of these questions, but okay, sorry. That's such a coincidence for me.
Cool.
It doesn't belong, but it can be invited. And this we now. But I'm no one to say who belongs where.
Yeah, but for you.
But for me,
No,
bro, a fruit. Because bakhona bafana ne banana on pizza.
Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah.
Now it's warm.
Yeah, Dakendabon, where I used to work, Kogu Pizza. Couldn't say waiter. Kogu Pizza. The restaurant was called St. Elmo's.
Yes.
And it had banana and bacon. And I always used to watch it come out the oven. Did you wah la. But it's also something that I feel like pizza people have gotten right in terms of like pizza. Like people love pizza.
Yeah.
Kids love pizza. People love pizza. And I'm just like,
people love bread and cheese. Right. That's the whole situation.
Nah?
What do you think about pineapple on pizza?
I think if there's an option of being able to put on pineapple on the pizza, take the option.
Oh, so you have
it's
pineapple?
The best thing. I'll have pineapple on pizza. If like, but I won't add it. If it pizza, chicken and pineapple, which is the only pizza I think that I've had which has it, definitely keep it on. I think that as an opposite, zoba ibe ipinali shushu, and then it's the best thing that was ever created on a thick base.
How thick is your face?
Because it's just for me that those flavors, oh man, it's the best thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like kind of like having a hot and cold thing.
Yeah, fine. We don't have to keep talking about it.
Obviously, guys, and naturally, he comments is, please, what you guys think. I think
and that's fine. There's no wrong answer. Also, do you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Because it's a complete preference thing. But
Yeah.
Andy, I will pick the pineapple off my pizza.
Correct. Yeah. So there's no wrong answer. But if you don't like pineapple on pizza, then go wrong. Right. Fine. Moving on to the next one. Is it ever okay to eat food in bed?
Always. Yeah, I think sometimes it's okay. And you know when? On a Sunday afternoon.
So you get up from your bed?
Yes.
Maybe
Maybe not food, just snacks. Not like No. I don't eat in bed. But bandizene chips, no biltong, and then I'm like watching something
that's
on
not
my bed.
eating in bed, bro.
How? Are you not?
Yeah, snack, come on.
No, then no.
Okay.
Not like a full plate, bro. Size 7 colors.
Okay, maybe
if you're like in a hospital bed.
Yeah,
sure.
No, that doesn't count.
Yeah, that's when it's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
When out in
when kaloku ndikhule ekhayeni mna apho kwakusithiwa into ezithile ezibiza amaphela. And the last thing that I want kuba mandihanjwe liphela ebhedini. I wonder why singawafuni kangaka amaphela shem, because awalumi awathini like akonditeni.
That's so disgusting. My body's crawling.
Oh really?
Ew.
Cold leftovers or reheat everything?
Cold leftovers only if it's pizza. I love a cold leftover pizza.
Yeah. I can definitely do a cold pizza any day. KFC from the fridge any day.
KFC.
Oh, really? I click on that.
I'm gonna buy some tonight. You can go.
Yeah, for me the worst thing is
fresh.
8 minutes for inyama.
And you're like,
and then you're like, wow,
it's gonna be fresh. No, he's a pumi shushu. He's a pumi fresh.
I don't. Yeah, but even so for me, definitely, and I always like. It's not my go-to in the food mess, especially like imibeko nendoni mina ndethanda nje ekhe
rice
unless into mhlambe enqumayo,
which is a lot of the time there's like kunyama and stuff in your food.
Yes, so definitely, but isn't this fun? Try to reheat chips, then you're just like, I don't know. So yeah, there's becomes a couple of things that
you should reheat chips in your air fryer. That's the only way to reheat chips.
Image isetwa njani? Yo, the question, how do you reheat? You have uti chicken and then you press.
No, there's an option of just either just put it on the preheat and then take it out.
There's a preheat button.
Mine has a
preheat.
But yeah, preheater anyway, before it starts, it preheats first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I can just put in then press and then it's just gonna heat my stuff. Anyways, does it take as short a period as like
shorter
microwave?
Oh no, it takes a little longer than a microwave.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, interesting. I'm just thinking of the times as well. So food to meza stove.
Ke oven, okanye stove. Yeah, bro, you had to be hungry like 15 minutes ahead. You had to think 15 minutes ahead before you get hungry.
No, absolutely.
Yeah, but we were healthy then, you know?
Yeah, no, absolutely. Absolutely. Still a sparkling water.
Excuse me. Still.
Never sparkling.
I will have sparkling. I don't have any qualms with sparkling water.
Okay. Just not your first choice.
No, it's not.
If there was water that
sparkling is fine, yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah. When?
Sparkling all the time. Sparkling first. And then still follows. If ever I'm in a restaurant, I'm anywhere, and I'm offered water, still a sparkling. I'll
If
always
you
say
could have sparkling water coming out of your tap at home, would you?
Facts.
What?
Yeah, especially because I don't like drinking cold things as well. So the room temperature sparkling is also like perfect.
Why don't you like drinking cold things? You have problems
I
with your
think
teeth?
Dinama's sensitive teeth. I think so. That Angela from time to time.
No, excuse.
So it's, but I don't. Yeah, it's not like a big thing, but just the water sometimes the unslab.
Okay.
Which is the ultimate comfort food? Pasta, stew, or bread?
Stew, bro.
All the time.
Yo, what? Bread. You are not comforting yourself.
I love a bread on a Sunday. Just peanut butter.
You know, that has become like the adult snack. Like, it's up there in adult snacks. Peanut butter, jam, honey. Oh, slicey one. Come by here. We are here now. Whereas, it's a weird one. But, yeah, no, stew, bro. Come on.
Okay. Fair. Now I definitely agree as a red meat
What
lover.
was the other one?
Pasta, stew, or bread.
Pasta, no. Yes, the pasta, I won't even order it at a restaurant.
Really?
No.
Oh, there's any pasta, my man, with a white sauce, the Russian cream.
Ingabi tomato-based sauce.
Bolognese. I can't mean
I'm Pekkai Bolognese.
Exactly. Okay. Should the toilet paper hang over?
Oh my
under?
gosh, who cares? Should the toilet paper wipe your bum? Yes. The hell? I hate this question so much because I think it means nothing.
Okay.
Sorry. I'm having because I recently just listened to someone have like a 5-minute convo with someone else about it, and I was like, guys.
Does it even matter?
Yeah, what do you think?
Nah, man, naskatha.
Hi, boom, chana.
As long as ikhona noba ingahlali toilet paper because erolini ntangami okuba ikhona ndiyayimbulela loo nto leyo.
No, man. Dude, what's that got to do with... No, you're a psychopath.
No. I just think...
Do you know who's the psychopath? The person who looks at it and
notices by taking
I must be fucking up. No, it's the wrong way.
Exactly.
That's giving psychopath to me.
No, absolutely.
Nini.
Yeah. Because you figure out it go But you must always count, like I always count, like 10 blocks.
What?
Body, waist. Yeah. Dance a krish. No. And then, so, there's a krish. You want a krish? In the toilet. I'm like, actually, one of the memories that I have, Tim, is a krish. Then I go into the bathroom, D&D1, and then you go, phone in the figure, but you will straight.
Yeah, but as a kid, for sure. Yeah.
And then I don't know if I left the door open or what had happened. Classmate wam. Oh, akabale kuyondicela. Ndayithatha ndayithi like
Also, why were you doing something wrong?
Like, I feel like in Daba toilet paper. Because I wanted to see if I and also, I knew it was wrong because I knew that I couldn't do it at my house, right? That's why you're the creesh. You understand? So, okay, school fees suck. Hey, like, I feel like I'm gonna be one of those parents, but yes, the best school and you know the by patalo, and I open Manela le. Half on diet. Then ke ngokukwathiwa wafika umiss uyabona hayi andazi asakhula abantu ashado
flashes
apho ndisebhizi kaloku yeah, suka wena umuntu can't tell you anything.
No, I'm just trying to get into your thought process.
So if you go miss and nale poliki ke ngoku and then and then the miss is just like
criminal ever.
when's the known bro and I couldn't explain what happened or whatever but then I thought she was just like you must count 10 blocks
You've been doing that. And you've been doing that since Critch.
It's kind of 10 blocks because I'm
I
going to waste.
10 blocks, and then when you have to go again, another 10 blocks. Oh, that's crazy. Mad business, that is. No ways, bruv.
Yeah, thank you. I really
that
feel
is a childhood trauma.
safe.
You are traumatized.
No, it was a safe toilet paper. 1 or 2 ply.
2-ply.
All the time.
Yeah, because
Okay.
it's soft.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am jachika by iko 2 ply.
I am not dumping in this bathroom.
Absolutely. Are you really clean if you shower at night and not in the morning?
No.
Huh?
You're clean. No.
Okay.
Because you sweat at night. We all sweat at night.
Yeah, but sometimes you don't sweat.
Oh, so, and when do you know? But I didn't sweat last night, or I sweated last night.
Uyaziva for next
No.
Awukhulala phone unuvuka uqonde me. And feel fresh.
No.
Okay.
I mean, you're not dirty, but you're not clean.
Okay. How many times did you shower in a day?
Once should be enough,
Okay.
unless you go to the gym.
Okay, fair.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then they're over. So go.
I'm done now. And I guess because I was kulanga low way also. I mean, as kids, sure.
Yeah, because that's bamdaga.
Some struggle dope. Sisenza yonke enye into apha emhlabeni.
Exactly. We're just like intent on bringing germs into the household.
But now also as an adult you're like, nangam ndivuke ndahlamba ndanxiba impahla nami ndohlala eofficeini the whole day. Dabuya.
Yeah, but there are people who are absolutely obsessed with washing.
No, absolutely. Umntu athi ngathi arhawuzelela yena if akahlambanga. So like there's definitely people who will twice a day.
I think it's very psychological.
Yeah. Kubekho nabo ke ngoku maybe even 3 times a day if kuyatshisa ngalo mini.
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't sweat much at
Also,
all. Yeah, so I guess bakhona abantu who sweat a lot. So I can imagine if I sweated a lot, I'd probably wash more than once.
Okay, fair. Is making your bed a waste of time or a must?
We've had this conversation.
No, but it was linked to something else about how making your bed is like makes you feel accomplished early in the
I have to
mornings.
be very careful about our answer. Ask again.
Is making your bed a waste of time or a must?
I mean, it's not a waste of time.
Okay.
That's for sure. Must, it's strong, but I do it. Yeah.
365 out of 365 days. Every time you wake up in a bed.
Oh my gosh,
like-
what is this?
Well, I'm just asking a question.
I mean, maybe I'll miss like 2 days out of 365.
Okay, so makes sense. I know how many days.
Last Sunday, ndifuna uhlala ebhedini.
So you don't get out of bed.
I mean, you get out, but you come back in.
Yes, but
Yeah.
that doesn't count if you're gonna do that. Bonke abantu umuntu aphume umuntu uhambe ayokwenza ibreakfast odlule ayokwenza ibreakfast abuya atyela ibreakfast abebhedini aphinda ityile.
Psychologically,
Yeah.
warfare. Yeah, no, I do, but I think it's also because it's just a habit now. I mean, I grew up in a house where
Correct.
making your bed,
Yeah.
not making your bed was never an option.
Do you even live here? Yeah,
Exactly.
for sure, definitely.
So I don't ndiyicingayo anymore.
Okay.
Mm.
Now
And
I
same with you?
can definitely go without ibed ndiyenzizo zisaze.
Exactly.
I don't get it. And then obviously when you don't get something, then you go and look for all the evidence. Evidence ibisithi ibhedi yakho when you wake up in the morning, funeke ukuyibethise ngomoya. So le nto yokondlula ibhedi straight after you've gotten out of it is isweat zakho azinantsiki
Azikomi.
and then that can also like breed little like moths and whatnot and whatnot and whatnot and whatnot. How often should you change your bedding?
Once a week. I change mine once a week.
Okay.
Why?
That's fine. No, I'd rather not answer.
Nya outa no outa kaloku nina. So umuntu balaza mina belele.
Oh, hlentsho xa uhambile se-Cape Town for the Cape Town Marathon.
Uyayiva chomi so awuzuzibhala zamini. And those still they
Awuvuthiwe. Uyathetha ngalo mlomo wakho. Masiyeke le game.
Ngothini lo mlomo.
You might not know or have like context to this one. Who owns the remote control? The person who started the show or the one who joined later?
The person who started the show. Duh.
Okay.
Oh, no, figure late.
So sit here for
Imagine. Duh. Does that not make sense?
Okay, yeah, no, sure. Facts. I can agree with that.
I'd be so upset.
Are you born a morning person or do you become one?
I think you become one.
Really?
Yeah.
How so?
I don't know. I think it's a combination of both. It can be a combination of both, actually.
When you are not a morning person.
I'm not.
And do you think you were born like that?
I think so. I feel like if you asked our parents now if I was a morning person when I was little, they'd probably be like, no, she was not.
Maybe you were morning. The fact that you had to get out of bed.
Getting out of bed is torture.
Yeah, big fact.
But you're a morning person.
Yeah.
So do you think you were born that way?
Yeah, I think it's just something that was like instilled with me. Instilled in me.
How was it instilled in you and not instilled in me?
No, something that came as part of his factory settings.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, yeah. And I was just telling her about like whatever my waking up schedule, whatever. And then she was just like, yes, Shem, when it came to getting out of bed in the morning. And I was like, really? That's such an interesting thing. And I'm thinking as a parent, those are 35 years, 40 years ago.
Yeah.
But she's like, Shem, when it came to time to get out of bed, you just get out of bed fine.
Yeah, no. I had the Mazangas for real, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to get out of bed. I like sleeping. Oh my gosh, I still like sleeping.
But maybe it was because we were through the night. Lando's a nightmare. Nendo.
Falling off the bed.
Falling off the double bunk bed. Hey, guys.
Oh, good.
They say introverts have more fun. Do you think this is true or false?
No.
Okay.
You're having fun in their heads.
I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be out there. I think they might have a bit more fun.
Why?
Because you're an introvert, you're in a group of people maybe who know that you're an introvert, so they don't make it weird for you. And then you just get to sit back or analyze.
Where's the fun part?
You know what I mean? And then you're laughing at some other people who are just like, hey, look at that. You just said the opposite of what you are saying now 5 minutes ago. Do you know what I mean? I think not from an analysis maybe perspective, could be a bit more fun.
Participating just seems like more fun.
I command to participate.
Hey, what funny!
Uphikise.
Oh, come on, bro. That's fun as crazy fun. Go analyze, you know, bro. No. But if you're an introvert and you think you have more fun, please let us know how.
Correct. And please describe fun. Like what is the fun part of it? Yeah. I'm just thinking of it from that perspective.
No, I hear you that, and it makes so much sense that you say it the way you do, because other people have fun with just watching.
Yes, correct. 100%. These questions are also all over the show. Like, I love
that. That's how my brain works.
Is multitasking a superpower or a scam?
I think it's a scam. I used to think it was a superpower.
Okay.
Until I found out why I can only function in a multitasking kind of way.
Okay.
And that's just because my brain is not set up correctly.
Okay. Welcome to the psychology of it all with Talita.
So I have like some ADD, right? So the ADHD is the hyper one. but I can't concentrate on anything for long.
Okay.
Anything. I get bored very quickly. I'm on a phone call. I have to be doing something else. I can't just be on a phone call.
Okay.
Game,
Offer something.
Offer something.
Like the phone call.
No.
Are you able to multitask? Sure, you do, but are you able to do it effectively?
No, I am.
Okay.
But that's because it's a default of something else, which is why I think it's a scam.
How do you know you ADD?
I took a test.
Oh, really? Online?
Yeah, when mom was here, she didn't make me take a test, but I took a test.
And then he put me to ADD. Now what?
I mean, I'm still functioning in society. I could get help. Is
pills the only way to fix it?
Or you can go through like a process of training your brain to do certain things.
Okay.
So, like I have a like a little blackboard at home where I write, but in the morning, vuka, make your bed, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, make tea, and just follow a routine.
Okay.
Because my brain doesn't routine. It's just like, I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, my nenzele. Oh, no, let's focus on that. Oh, there's a fly.
Whether it's
100%, yeah. So you can train yourself depending on the level of ADD that you have.
Okay, that's very interesting. I think Namikon in the Nayo, but I don't know what it is. Namdia.
Tatuyek.
But I'm just
but
like,
you can focus on
usually
things.
happens with things that, but yeah, I think it might be different because that usually happens with things that I'm just like, I really don't want to do this. But I've also got like a nasty habit of, actually, maybe that's just like a dopamine problem where every time I complete a task, it's like there's a reward, phone, check something. No man just scroll past like one post on Instagram. Then
that's your reward.
It's something that I figured out like 3 weeks ago. But I'm doing something, type an email, no. You create a document. Or like not even create a document, like a page. Then phone. Like I'm not even gonna sit there for like 10 hours. I'm gonna be like, oh, like, okay, big phone. It's very strange. And I can just imagine what it does to my productivity. It's very unsettling.
Yeah, but it also kind of feels like a way that you've created to keep yourself productive.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Or maybe I just need a dopamine detox.
I definitely need one of those.
Yeah, I think maybe that's something that I've been thinking.
Also, you don't need dopamine when you're like flipping through stuff. Like what?
It could be the fact that you see a picture and then like I'm gonna use a very far out example, which might be less far out than we think. You get onto Instagram, for example, and then one about kind of likes is 15 new likes. Or
okay.
About one more follow.
Fine. I get that
comment,
dopamine hit. Yes.
Got a DM. Could get a dopamine hit of also seeing something that you think is pretty cool. And when you look at the number next to it, you're like, 15,000 people think it's cool. So yeah. I'm seeing for another episode. So yeah, like many things.
Yeah.
Many things.
And the reason I believed it was because I was like asking Umama, because as I was answering the questions, I was talking through it with her. And I was like, have I always been like this? And she was like, yeah, pretty much.
Oh, yeah. Interesting. What's the deal with me? Since the phone. How was that before I had a phone?
You've had a phone for over 20 years.
Stop it. Okay. Yeah, I think multitasking now takes us more time to complete tasks when we're multitasking.
For sure. And then you don't do task one.
Correct.
Something's going to lack in another task.
Yeah, I think nabubu skemanyana. That's just for me. Cool. Are voice notes better than texts?
Yes.
Nina abantu bangathanda uthetha
Yes,
efonini.
100%.
Voice notes are better than text.
Yep.
Then you might as well get on a call, right?
No. I don't need to hear your thoughts. I need you to hear mine.
And you don't mind voice notes.
No.
You don't mind lengthy voice notes.
No.
A mixtape.
Mm-mm.
Okay. I find that strange as a person who doesn't like calls.
It's the middle ground though, because I don't like calls, right? But then so much gets lost in translation in text.
Ooh.
Because of yes. And so the middle ground is you can hear my tone, you can hear my intention, you can hear banditin. So but we don't have to get on a call though.
Fair, because there's a very big difference between sungezela and sungezela.
Exactly. And then that gets lost in that text. Then you're sitting there going, how did
you mean it? Because that's how
now you're lost, bro. What do you think?
I don't know, either or really. I think I text more than I voice note. Voice noting for me, I use it when I'm either busy with something, or I'm driving, or I think mostly that's when I use a voice note, or when I'm trying to explain something that's gonna end up being a read more. Then I'm just like, nah, bro. It's gonna be more convenient for me to send you a voice note.
Yeah, there's a friend of mine who told me to not. It's not him. I was so upset. I was like,
don't voice note me. Don't lie.
These voice notes.
Any voice notes?
No, so they're not even long. It's just like I don't like them. Understand the voice
Why?
notes.
You don't like the sound of my voice? Or?
I don't know. He was like, text me or jump on a call. And I'm like,
it's fine. Why?
I don't know.
Ask why. Buddha, it's your reason why undithandi. No, why ungayithandi? Because of that.
I don't know. I was just like,
Hey, wadicinga usongona profile picture nona yam.
Ndaqala ndamfaka kwi-archive. And then I was like, ay, hamba wena la. Are we even friends? Shame ndimgqibele.
Was it Zulu? Tell me hamba wena la.
Because I'm what? I'm speaking to a doggy.
Yo, that is wild. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call howling. I was howling. Not lol howling. Wow, that's crazy business.
This should end. I feel like I'm getting more unhinged.
Sending you down the rabbit hole, my boy.
As the episode goes.
Old school music versus new school.
No contest.
Across genres.
Yes. There's nothing new that I'm like, oh, that's nice. Across genres. Hip hop, definitely. R&B, definitely. I don't know what
R&B.
Yo, person I look Karen White.
Yeah.
Oh, Cleo Soul. No.
Is that
not
R&B?
her? No.
The R&B. That's like a new genre that just came out. That is not R&B.
Yes, it's R&B.
Hi, boy. Funny, R&B is 'cause I love. No hair.
No hair, dog. Ababasayo apha ngoku walker. Ban walker. That's all R&B.
Andibazi
Abazi nobody.
abantu bangoku kuthe kudrop ii-tickets ibe yiloo nto yiphantsi naphezulu. I'm just like andigethi mna ndingasekuze ujahim.
sings My Pony, genuine. Have you seen it?
amadolo. Uyeka ngamadolo kwenye concert ingasamhleki mna nawe. Kangayeka uhlula manje.
Rather, kuze genuine. No, for sure, old school. Wena?
Old school.
Even house, even old school house is like, it bangs so much still.
Yes.
Yeah.
And my thing is this, like, as we're talking, I'm trying to think of like new school things that I really like. And I can't. Instead, because it's also, I think, I wonder why it's also kind of not even that memorable
Indon.
or easy to recall for me.
Indo yangu.
Yeah, window yangoku.
I don't know, man. I don't know if it's maybe the messaging sometimes that doesn't hold, like that doesn't stick to your brain. Because I know before messaging was much simpler.
Yes, correct.
It wasn't like anything you had to be like, ooh. Exactly. You weren't like, I wonder what she means by this line. And then this one, you knew ba Diya Kutanda, I love you, baby. What's in those jeans? You know what I'm saying?
So right. You're so right. I listen to this song. This is a trend, and I'm just like, Utwani. It's fine. Yeah, I can hear the words.
Yes.
Ne?
Yes.
But it's not giving. Usually when two people are together for a long time, things tend to change.
Yeah, you for show me.
Now it's like subliminal messaging and wow.
I rocked it. You rocked it. Rocked what? What happened?
I once got into trouble with an old school song that was saying those things, but that's another thing for another episode.
Okay, so we're both on the old school.
Yeah, we're both on the same page in terms of old school. I hope niyaphendula ke kwi-comments.
They test it to song.
Should reality TV be considered a guilty pleasure or a cultural treasure?
Oh my gosh, just
a guilty pleasure.
I have to count
thanks.
my words.
Okay.
A guilty pleasure.
Yeah. Okay.
Or a cultural what?
Treasure.
Never. Cultural trasher. Nah.
Nah. Also, I don't believe reality TV is like really reality TV. It's positioned as reality TV.
Yeah.
I don't think.
No, it's not.
Reality
no,
TV.
it has to be scripted. For sure.
Nah.
Otherwise, no one's life is that interesting, first and foremost. Uba every day khona eqhubekayo uyalwa ngapha uhamba dinners okokoko unxiba nice clothes and there's always something happening in your life. Think about your life.
Fair, I like that.
Yeah,
I like that. Is AI creativity versus real creativity?
Real creativity.
Every day.
Yes.
Okay. I've started being so scared of AI because I started feeling like it's taking away from
our humanness.
Yeah, and our human creativity.
Yes.
As well.
100%. People don't need to think anymore.
And it's so easy.
Exactly.
To get hooked on that.
100%. Because you don't have to do the work of, I want Injani. I don't know. Maybe if we do this, maybe if we're literally being turned into non-thinkers.
And we are Itatalando, we regurgitate, we keep sailing up.
Exactly. What does that look like in 10 years? What does that look like in 10 years on kids who are like 6 now? What do they look like in 10 years? Are they creating anything? Is anybody having a thought that is their own?
What?
Are people being artistic in a way that's not the same as everyone? I'm so scared. They're making AI music, right? And what?
That's what. Yeah, no, that's very true. You scared? No, 100%. I was initially like very much like nah. Then I started using it for certain things. Then I was like,
this is too easy.
Then I started being like, yeah, but then Nalendo half the time I don't challenge it, I don't do anything with it. Like, what's with that? Then I started thinking because I really like the creative side of me. I really like my problem solving side. And I really like the feeling that I get when I've solved a problem.
100%.
For myself.
Yeah.
Like, or worked to solve a problem. Then I started thinking about, Then again, I started seeing, but even when you talk to ChatGPT, please and thank you. wenze ba i-robot apocalypse uzawusinda. Niyeke lento yenu yoba ukuthi send me don't ayisende uqobe uyithathe uyicime. Ukuthi thanks. That was fantastic.
Who told you that?
I read a meme.
No. Yaiva, kwalondo life advice yakho ithela kwi-meme. It's crazy, man. And this is the thing. Problem solving is also one of the things that makes us human.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Being able to adjust to situations, being able to EQ, dog.
Yeah. And makes you grow, makes your brain grow,
Yes.
makes your brain develop.
So if you're emotionally out of the situation, anymore, what is society? What is community? What is a relationship? What is they macking on each other using ChatGPT, bro?
Clean. Phone, and there's apps for everything. You go on the app, your maker. You call it no. Tina phone used to do this old school phone.
For nini?
So as ne videos Tina zasibukela phone nomnyumchita did the ultimate MVP. You know like PUA.
What's that?
Ultimate PUA pickup artist. Jeff for the in the video baba.
Yes,
yeah, boys, this pass around namachita niyazazi ba ningobani. But yeah, now it's like you input your conversation, it gives you a response. This is
the thing. There was a lady who was like, I wasn't sure. I thought I was speaking to an AI guy. So I said, let's meet. And we met, and a completely different human. I was no can't keep up a conversation. Whereas he was texting me his paragraphs upon paragraphs, as interesting, with full stops and good. You're just like, that cannot be the same person. Now, what are you hoping for? What is that guy hoping for?
Gonna be in love, and then we're gonna notice you again. This is the whole thing, right?
This is not the time for that. Ladies are here now. Yo.
That's so true.
Yeah.
Okay. I think to classes out ngelithuba siyibhekisele ngasemnyango lenqubo.
Naughty dear too.
Let's go with some sibling stuff. Or one sibling thing.
Okay.
Who has it harder? The firstborn or the lastborn?
Oh, wow.
Stop it. No.
I didn't even say
bored.
anything.
Oh, bored. I'm so bored.
Okay. I'm bored.
Indulge me. Oh. I'm already bored in advance. I'm so sorry.
No, you answer first. You answer first. Oh, exactly.
Huh?
You were bold 5 seconds ago.
The lastborn.
Why?
Because as the lastborn, you generally come into a situation whereby things are kind of already figured out. If there's a high performing firstborn under pressure, if there's a low performing firstborn who under pressure, there's a lot of expectation. Because as parents also, you're probably sitting there and thinking, well, this is not the first time we've done this. We've probably perfected the skill. So therefore, it's fine. Even though the first batch of cookies is flopile, this batch is pumi right. And now we have to be that batch as a last born.
And have you felt that in your life?
That's my case.
I thought you were going to say, arrest me now. I don't know why I thought that. And has that been your... Yeah, sure.
I'm talking about myself.
There's no way. Are you being serious?
Yes. Ubandangam, uyibonile must be njani into fail esikolweni. Ngoku nawe uzophinda ufeyile esikolweni. Ufana nongendaweni ka-sister ufana no-sister wakho. No, those things were never said. But I'm just saying.
I'm like, which part of my life was this?
You understand? That's the thing. You're ready because you can see how not to do it. Now, you can't go in that direction because are you even using your mind?
Okay. I'll take it.
Okay.
You're so scared.
Okay. What are your thoughts?
I definitely think the firstborn has it harder because firstly, they're first, right? So it's almost like abazali are like, they don't know like what a baby is and what a baby can and cannot do, can uphold, cannot. So uyagadwa okokoko. Hey, no, you can't do that. Then you come and you're like peeing in the garden. Woo woo.
He's being protected harder.
Who?
The firstborn.
Yes.
Uthanda protection. Okay.
And so you kind of have to live in between these lines, and you have to color in between the lines.
As in crying. Jokes.
I know I'm a white lady, but come on. You have to color in between the lines so much, and you have to almost be perfect. And by the time they realize, oh no,
don't have to be
he's
perfect.
not gonna die. Then you come and they go, oh, he's not gonna die. Then you're coloring outside the lines and going, oh my gosh, look at this pretty tree. And I'm like, no, tree's supposed to be like this. It's so much stress for a child.
Okay. And then
you have to be a deputy parent at some point.
no.
Yes.
You've been a deputy parent for 2 years.
Ewe. Mama nosuko. Ninga now I must look after this person. I'm 6.
I'm your brother, dog.
Yeah.
You're 6 and I'm your brother.
Yes, for sure, but I'm 6.
Yeah, but I'm your brother. I'm not your friend. Your small little defenseless friend.
Yeah, now I must take care of a defenseless person. Deep.
You need to heal, man.
So that's like no room for mistakes, because if we're now with a cut knee, who's in trouble? Not you, babes. You're not in trouble. I'm in trouble. I'm 6. I'm a baby. I rest my case, bro.
Okay, and then as we get older, now we're in our 20s, so too.
Yeah.
Still.
I think it kind of also does build a little bit of resentment from older siblings to the younger siblings.
Because you guys just don't want to be responsible or what?
Yeah, because we're also just like, you get away with so much. I could never do that. I still have to do things the right way all the time. And I think we swapped our roles in that situation at some point.
As in you getting away with a lot more.
Yeah, because I became the artist.
Yeah, that's so hard.
Yeah, but in other situations, not talking about my life, in other situations, I've seen a lot of resentment from older siblings to younger siblings, because they're just like, maybe not consciously, but unkhulise kho.
Oh,
And I don't blame it obviously on you. And it's easy to blame it on the parents, but I don't necessarily blame it on them either. Because it's not like they're actively trying to make you a deputy parent and actively trying. They're just trying to like, whatever, instill certain things in you, or
and you happen to be older.
And you happen to be older, instill a closer relationship or whatever. But a lot of the time, older siblings have it really hard, man. And I can't really blame anyone for it.
If you could, would you change the order in which we were born?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think we'd be different than we are right now? Definitely, I guess.
I don't think so. I feel like we really did swap roles at some point, eh?
Yeah, I feel like that too.
Because you feel like
I'm your bigger brother.
Yeah.
I mean, that's how I feel. That's how you make me feel. That's why I like to take you with me when I'm gonna go play. Not. That's very interesting. Definitely see Sunday. Like we need to circle back at some other time, because for now, ixesha lethu liphelile lityiwe yinja. And ke niyayazi nonke emakhaya uba indaba ziphela utshaba.
Lixesha.
Time. But I really enjoyed that. But I really enjoyed that. That was really cool.
Yeah, that was fun. Thanks.
Yeah, I think.
Upinde next week.
Kaloku funny.
Umuntu makathatha month of yabona.
So funny topic heavy next week kaloku. And you have to make fun of. That's not like a good representation of life.
It's fine. We are out here living real life. We know what it is.
Okay.
Can't we get a pocket of just nice
for an
times?
hour a week.
Yeah, even.
Okay, cool.
Thanks, guys, for watching. Please let us know your answers zenu in this test as well. And don't forget, we have 2 other segments that you can watch in case you miss us. We've got Sibling. What is it called?
That
Standing on Business, where we speak to entrepreneurs and small business owners. And we also have the Bling Line, where we speak to your comments and we answer them and we highlight them and listen to what you have to say.
I'm so proud of you. Like every time your inner presenter comes out, I'm always just watching you in awe, and I'm just like, damn, girl.
I've kind of done this before.
Yeah, madlamini ke bazalwane uyitye yonke. Mandingabisawa umpopa. Ecwengile madlamini. Don't forget.
Love each other.